The following presentation is from Global Energy Corporation on the GEC Deep Space Power program. Mankind's next major space venture is Mars, and GEC is forging the initial steps in getting us there by developing innovative space power systems for propulsion and a Mars colony. Deep space power needs. Our next step in space exploration requires significantly more efficient propulsion systems and space colony electric power. Unless both of these requirements are met, deep space human exploration is impossible. Fortunately, GEC can provide a solution with hybrid fusion technology. Propulsion. Current propulsion systems are chemical or ion driven, but chemical rockets require enormous quantities of fuel, have fast acceleration, but short burn times. Ion engines use electrical power, are more efficient than chemical, but have low acceleration. Either way, it takes several months each way to transit between Earth and Mars. Consequently, human crews are subjected to significant radiation from cosmic rays and the Sun. Without faster means, Mars is a one-way ticket. Electrical power. Mars colony requires at least 1 megawatt electric power. For example, the Mars robot Curiosity only required 7 kilowatts of electricity. Mars' atmosphere is 1% Earth sea level pressure, virtually no free oxygen, and mostly carbon dioxide. Power is needed to drill for water, break the H2O into its components, crack the CO2, provide life support for heating, cooling, cooking, and computers and communication. Without significant electrical power, Mars colony is not possible. Nuclear power solution. Nuclear power produces 20 to 200 million times more energy per unit than chemical fuel source. Nuclear power is the only solution to deep space propulsion and power systems. However, uranium-235 fission reactors are effectively prohibited, and radiothermal generators haven't the power. We need a nuclear power solution that doesn't use fissile fuel or radiothermal generators. GEC on Mars solution. Fortunately, GEC has a solution. GEC hybrid fusion technology provides nuclear power energy without using fissile material such as uranium-235 or radioactive plutonium-240. GEC can provide propulsion and power plant for deep space exploration. We are currently building a prototype power plant for Mars exploration, and we are developing a new propulsion system employing nanomite. GEC plans to build a 10 kilowatt electric prototype, then a 5 megawatt electric GEC Mars pilot power plant, both using a thorium hybrid fusion generator and helium-cooled primary cycle. This GEC on Mars power plant will be a small modular reactor design. Parts are made on Earth and assembled on Mars. Mars moves home. GEC believes that the concept of GEC on Mars can be effectively applied here on Earth. Small, modular, and long-lived, therefore very economical. Non-fissile fuel, therefore very safe and environmental. GEC Mars power plants can supply power to the many islands and remote areas on Earth that are far from grids and transportation infrastructure. GEC on Mars can be used by over 50 island nations, 40 island territories, and thousands of remote islands, each with power needs. GEC on Mars can be used in remote areas of Africa, South America, and vast Asian continent. GEC on Mars power plant is capable of replacing all of Earth's current polluting and unsafe power plants. Replace all air-polluting coal-fired power plants. Replace, modify, or complement all existing nuclear power plants to reduce the safety and security issues. Clean up all existing nuclear waste on site. GEC on Mars power plant is capable of supplying all of Earth's future electric power needs in a safe, secure, clean, economical, and grid-free system environment. The following presentation is a video clip from the Discovery Channel on the hybrid fusion technology.
And this would be the breakthrough that the world has been waiting for. This would be the source that actually powers all of the stars, able to be run on our very own power stations in our very own homes. We wouldn't have to worry about waste products. We wouldn't have to worry about anything for this generation or the generation to come.
It's amazing.
The future is now. GEC believes the development of deep space power plants, GEC on Mars, is directly related to the needs on the Earth. The future is in our hands now. Your comments are welcome. For any comments, questions, or information, go to www.globalenergycorporation.us. This has been a presentation from Global Energy Corporation.